Your boy is back. Tonight we're gonna be heading to a meet. First things first, it's been a month. I know you guys are probably wondering, how's the car been acting? How's the car been performing? Any problems, anything like that? So far, all I could say is the only problem I had with the car was pretty much where when I was on E85 or sometimes 93, but most likely E85, the car would bog and die out at a stop or like a red light. But I went back to Tampa and pretty much Martin fixed that. Everything is good now. The car running phenomenal. I then did a couple pulls in it here and there. It's been a good month. I put a lot of miles on this car. I've just been daily driving. You know, I haven't been getting to really drop any content for you guys because I've been going through life situations, you know, like real life shit. So I haven't really been, I've been driving the car, but I haven't really been making any content with the car. So yeah, your boy is literally on E. Well, not on E, but close to E. So before I head to this meet, I'm gonna go to my local E85 station that pretty much sells the cleanest, purest E85 in the area. And I'm gonna go fill her up so I could be ready for the meet later. Yeah, she's pretty low. So yeah guys, most likely I'm gonna either get back to you guys when I'm on my way to the meet, or if anything happens on the way to getting some E85. Alright, as you guys could tell, your boy is back from getting some corn, E85, elote, whatever you want to call it. Filled up the tank right there. Filled up an extra tank right there. Just so when it hits halfway, you know, I could fill her back up again, because the drive is a little 25 to 30 minute drive to get my shit. Look at this little queer. Little cuz got a BQ too.
The white road, oh my god.
Everybody done upgraded That boy Doc got the S3 now. Ain't no more WRX Doc, man. What, this? Fast guys out here, I ain't gonna lie. Straight fast guys out here.
That's what I'm worried about. Oh, that's the last one. Yeah. That's what I'm reading. At least it's the higher power one. I feel like
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Bmw 335I, man. Look at that. What is that, Mk7 or 6?
Mk7.
Mk7. Mk7 versus the S3. Then he want to run to
Hey
it?
man, let's do a dig.